How is it going, guys, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do the T-step traveling to the left. Basically, it's the exact same thing as the previous video, but instead of going to the right, we're going to the left. So let's get started. We're gonna do heel, toes, heel, toes. 7, go. Heel, toes, heel, toes. 7, go. Heel, toes, heel, toes. 7, go. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Now I want you to stand on your right leg and do the same thing. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Again, 7, go. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Heel, toes, heel, toes. Good! Now I want us to add the decoration leg. So bring your left knee up, and we're gonna do toes up, toes up, toes up, toes, and bring it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine everything together. I remind you, every time my heel is turning in, I'm tapping my foot down and I bring everything up. Tap and up. Tap, up. Tap and up. Let's try it 8 times in a row. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. Don't forget to add the arms and the head to the move. Okay, let's put some music on. Good job, guys! Now, I want us to combine the T-step to the right with the T-step to the left. So, I'm gonna have 2 T-step to the right, and then I switch into 2 T-step to the left, and I switch again, like this. 1 and 2, switch. 3 and 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have 1 and 2, stop. From here, I bring my right leg under my body and my left leg up. So from here, I switch. Again, from here, I switch to the other side. Then I'm ready to go to the left. 3 and 4, stop. I bring my left leg under my body and my right leg up. Whoop! and then I'm ready to go to the right again. 1 and 2, switch, 3 and 4, switch again, 1 and 2, switch, 3 and 4, switch. Okay, so the most confusing part in this combo is the switch. 2 things that I want to tell you. In dancing, it's not enough to learn the technique and to practice the move. If you want to be able to dance choreographies, you have to count. You have to know exactly how many times you're doing a certain step. In this case, we're doing it twice. So in your head, you have to count 1 and 2. And I know that after the second count, I switch. 2, switch. And another 2, 3 and 4, switch. The second tip that I have for you is you have to remember, after the second count, the leg that's far away from me is coming under my body. Whoop! To the other side. Whoop! 7, go. 1 and 2, switch. 3 and 4, switch. 1, 2, switch. Switch. Good job. Let's try this little combo with music. Guys, good job. Keep practicing this little combo. I love you and I'll see you in the next one.